What did you do that for? It's already going on YouTube. Too late. Well, can you give me some paper towels?
No way! Oh my God! Jerry, $60,000 pickup is out.
Are those Lincoln pickups?
He left it out on purpose.
Maybe. Totally out.
He's got full coverage. He wants a new one.
Look at my silver.
Oh my God, it's not stopping.
I wonder where your dad is.
I don't know. I don't know. I was thinking about him. I thought he was inside.
I did too.
He said he was going to go plant corn.
I hope he's underneath the tractor. Or is he?
I don't know.
On a stupid tractor?
Yeah? Not stopping. Still going. Turn it up a little bit.
Then you're,
This is a nice size.
That poor guy in his PT Cruiser. My computer. No.
Yeah, I wouldn't go yet there, guys. Might as well just stay right there. It's still hailing.
I wonder if it's helping it that much.
I don't know. Looks like it's coming from the east, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's slanting that way.
But you know what it did? It came
from the
around.
west. Yeah.
No, well, yeah, it came from the west and then kind of went to the south and then came around and hit us.
We're in like a vortex or something.
Well, you know, I was focusing on that weird cloud ahead of it.
Yeah.
And then I could see over here, you could hear it coming.
Yeah.
It was like...
It was like a crackling
like the
thunder.
Langoliers.
Yeah. It sounded like crackling thunder, like heat lightning.
Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. That was nuts.
oh, okay. Well, I don't want to go out and hail to that.